This is not our usual backdrop. I just want to address that right off the bat. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today I'm reviewing the new Trixie Cosmetics collection. So it came in this cute box as usual. I love it. And I'll show you guys everything in the collection and then I'll get into this little makeup tutorial for the look I created. The star of this show is the Back to the Fuchsia blush palette. I'm gonna admit, when I saw that they were purple blushes, I was like, I don't know about that. Like, I've never worn a purple blush. I definitely tried to be like more dramatic with like placement. Like, I wouldn't normally put it on my forehead. But these are so pretty and the highlight shade was so nice. But anyway, I was really like hesitant about these, but beautiful. Really, really pretty. I got all the collection, so I got all the glosses. I'm wearing Synth today, which is this dark one. It's so beautiful. And then we have the shade Prism, which is this like reflective almost. It's so pretty. It's got a shift in it. I love that. This amazing nude that I cannot wait to wear. This one's called Duh. It's just this awesome like pale nude. And for a pale girl, it's perfect. And this last one is called Chill Pill, and I'm actually really excited to do a look using this. This is like a color I've never worn on my lips before, but I'm really excited. These are all beautiful glosses, and yeah, I don't know if they're sold out, but give it a go. I also got both of the glitters. This is Indiglow, and I'm gonna get out of the frame so you can see. It shifts really pretty. It's what I have on my cheek right now, so you can see the shift. It's like a blue. It's really nice. And then this one, oh my god, I'm really blind. I can't read it, and my glasses are over there. I will put what it is right here. It's more true purple, and it's so pretty. Their glitters are always beautiful, always soft feeling, if that makes sense. They're not coarse, and they don't rip my skin when I take them off, which is always appreciated. This was probably the thing I was most excited about. It's blush brush. This is the first Trixie Cosmetics brush, and of course the handle is pink. It's perfect. And then it's actually like dyed pink on the top, but it is so soft, you guys. Like, I'm shook. And it applies product so nicely. So this brush is 10 out of 10. The last little things that came in the box, this cute little insert. Look. Photo, oh my gosh. And this is everything that I got is on the back. I guess I could have just showed you guys this. Oh well. And here's the stickers. The stickers are so cute. It's like Back to the Future theme, kind of, you know. So there's a little DeLorean car. There's the blush palette, the brush. Do y'all remember these lamps that like you touch and the lights like stick to your hand? I think that's what this is. I just think they're really cute. I can't wait to put them on my water bottle. But that was it. That's all I got in my box. So if you want to see how I got this fun look right here, then keep on watching. Okay, so here I am. I have my purple. I think this is the only purple thing I own, so doing my best. So the star of the show obviously today is going to be this blush palette. And I have this idea in my mind for like, it's pretty minimal, but I think it's going to really make these colors pop. And I'm excited. As far as like the base makeup goes, it's going to be pretty simple. I just want a clean, flat, full coverage face. I'm going to start with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and I am indeed in the first shade. The lady at Sephora was perplexed by this. She said she's never sold a foundation so pale before, so that's cool. I did prime my face already using these three things because I'm the worst. And as always, everything's going to be linked below if you want to see. Here we go. This foundation's really, really full coverage. So like normally when I'm using my medium coverage foundations, I would like go over any like spots that I might have, but I think I'm just going to go on in with this and then see what I'm working with. And I normally don't show you guys applying my foundation because it's boring to me. But since this is a new foundation, I guess I will show y'all how she performs. So it is liquidy, it's like dripping down my face. And I'm gonna take my damp sponge and blend it in. Do you see how full coverage that is? Oof. Now my top lip is gone. It's pretty full coverage. It's also not dry. I think it's a really nice, like, natural finish. I'm a fan. This is definitely my shade. I tried to buy, I think it was shade 3. Girl, I looked orange.
Look how orange you fucking look, girl.
So I'm glad I have my correct pale shade. And now I'm gonna go in with my usual Chi Chic concealer and go under my eyes. I'm not doing a full triangle today, just where you want to highlight, and obviously the lid. And then I'm gonna set it with my lavender tinted powder from Kimchi. Lightly, I'm not packing it on there. Going for a more natural face. And then I'm gonna set the rest of my face, same technique with my damp sponge, using my Fenty powder. And that's what it looks like all set. Pretty good. And then as usual, just as like an extra precaution, I'm using my Makeup Forever on a powder puff only on my cheeks. I usually do this because my cheeks, like I said, are where I have the most, like, I don't really have any active acne at the moment, but that's where my pitted acne scars are, so I'm like very self-conscious of that, so I try and like build up product right there. And then I know this is crazy to put so much powder on, but I'm crazy. And then I'm gonna put my HD powder on my T-zone. I zoomed y'all in because it's gonna be focused in my mind, like right here to like the top. So let's see. Anyway, I'm gonna use the Trixie Cosmetics brush. I'm so excited. It's so soft, you guys. Like, this doesn't show you how soft it is. I'm very aware of that, but it's so soft and so cute. I think I'm gonna start with Moon Boots, which is the middle one. And I'm basically gonna place that like I would for a normal blush and kind of bring it like a C shape right here. I don't know. Let's see. It's my first time using the brush also, so I'm very excited. I have a feeling that I'm gonna need to like work up this shade. This brush is really nice. I try not to drag since I do build up so much coverage right here. Okay, so I'm gonna keep on building up this Moon Boost shade until I get the color payoff. I'm not gonna make it too crazy yet. I definitely want this to be very purple around the edge. Sorry, this is like jumping around. Maybe it won't be when I edit this, but right now it's very much jumping around. I'm so excited. Disneyland is, you know, opening and things are happening and just hearing exciting things for my friends, and it's a good day, so I'm just on my phone a lot. But anyway, so I'm gonna step back from this area and just use the Moon Boots shade right at the end of my eye with a eyeshadow brush. I think I'm gonna try Cyber Babe, which is the darkest one in the palette, to try and really map out this shape a little more, because this Moon Boot shade is beautiful. It's not dark, which, I mean, obviously it doesn't look dark in the pan, but anyway, let's see her. What has she got to give, Miss Cyber Babe? Okay, yeah, there we go. But I'm gonna focus it on the outer bit. I'm trying to do like a, I don't want to say intergalactic, but kind of like not a typical, like I wouldn't be wearing this out and about. Now that we have the star of the show placed, can you guys kind of see what I'm talking about? Anyway, so I'm gonna go back in with Moon Boots, around the edges. Like cut the cheek. Oh, this is really fun. I have never worn a purple blush, but that's what I love about Trixie Cosmetics. They put out these colors that like I would never think to try, and then I end up loving them. Like my orange blush kit, that's like a daily thing now. I think I'm gonna do my nose purple because I'm really into the nose. Blush on the nose. I think it'll look cute. So I put the Moo Moods down and then Cyber Babe on top. I'm gonna take a highlight brush in the shade Hologram. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, I just flipped everybody off. Right there. Okay, and I'm gonna literally go like all over this. It's gonna be like a really unusual look. Okay, I'm gonna go do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. I went ahead and did my brows. I added a little more depth to the purple, same stuff we were doing, I just thought it needed a little bit more. And then I did a wing liner, yeah. But we're not doing anything to the eyes because, well, the eyelid, okay? I'm gonna take a white liner and go in my waterline. Then cover the white with the Moon Boots shade, which is the middle purple from the palette. I'm gonna put on lashes and then I'll be right back to do the lips because that's like the true star of today's show, so I'll be right back. So we're back. We have these gigantic lashes on. I'm obsessed. And here is the gloss we're using today in Synth. I'm so excited about this. When I saw this, I envisioned like literally this look right now. Just like nothing on the eye except a lash, because this is gonna be really dark, especially on my pale face. And just the purple. Oh, I'm really excited. Look at that color payoff. Okay, I'm going to, I don't know if I'm gonna change, I think I'll change my outfit. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, here's the final look. I added one of the glitters, I believe it's Indiglow, to my cheekbones. This side is crazy, but it's really pretty. I have to give this collection 10 out of 10, as usual. They never miss with anything, I swear. This lip gloss I was the most excited to try and it's so pretty. Normally, I really like doing this kind of like dark lip color with nothing else going on, which is what I did today. I just think it looks really pretty, and normally I'm like a little bit about how pale I am, but I kind of like how like exaggerated it looks against my ghostly skin. So I really recommend this collection. I'm not sure if it's sold out. It might be. Everything always sells out so fast for them, but maybe it'll be back soon if it is. And I recommend everything in this collection. It was all beautiful. The brush especially, you guys. I can't wait for them to come out with more brushes because this one was so soft. I can only imagine what the future holds for the Trixie Cosmetics brushes. But thank you guys so much for being here and watching my videos. I appreciate you all so very much. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Saturday and I'm really excited to get into spring and do some fun spring tutorials. So please subscribe to make sure you don't miss that. And thank you guys again for watching. I will see you next week. Bye!